Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best DeWalt Miter Saw Stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt Miter Saw Stand. 3 standout features make the Dewalt DWX725 heavy-duty miter saw stand ideal for contractors and DIY enthusiasts who value portability and strength. Its lightweight aluminum construction weighs just 15.4 pounds, while supporting an impressive 1,000-pound capacity. The leg lock levers enable quick setup and breakdown, while the transport latch lets you connect 2 stands for easier carrying. You'll appreciate the compact 36x11x 32-inch footprint that's perfect for tight spaces. The stand's compatibility with DWS780 mounting brackets adds versatility, allowing you to transform it into a multi-purpose tool stand. With a 4.8-star rating, contractors consistently praise its sturdiness and effortless folding mechanism. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dewalt Miter Saw Stand Wide Roller Work Support Attachment. Professional woodworkers who frequently handle wide materials like stair treads and 2x12s will find the Dewalt DWS780 roller support attachment indispensable. This 15-inch wide roller provides reliable support for materials up to 12 inches wide, with height adjustments from 4 to 6 inches. You'll appreciate its lightweight design at just 5.4 pounds, making it easy to install and remove when needed. Compatible with DW723, DWX723, and DWX724 miter saw stands, it's earned a stellar 4.7-star rating from over 2,000 users. While the height adjustment can be slightly clumsy, its overall performance in supporting wide workpieces makes it a valuable addition to your setup. At number 3, we have the Dewalt Compact Miter Saw Stand. Serious DIYers and contractors seeking a portable yet robust miter saw stand will find their match in the Dewalt DWX724. At just 29.8 pounds, this aluminum stand delivers impressive 500-pound load capacity while remaining highly portable. You'll appreciate the tool's versatility with its 40-inch beam that extends to support 10 feet of material. The universal design fits all miter saw brands, and you won't need assembly. It's ready to go right out of the box. With over 2,200 users rating it 4.7 stars, the DWX724's non-marring feet, folding legs, and quick-release levers make it a standout choice for both job site and workshop use. At number 2, we have the Dewalt Miter Saw Stand. Contractors and DIY enthusiasts seeking a versatile miter saw stand will find exceptional value in the Dewalt DWX723. At just 35 pounds, its aluminum construction offers remarkable portability without sacrificing strength, supporting up to 500 pounds and 16 feet of material. You'll appreciate the universal design that fits all miter saw brands, quick-release mounting brackets, and adjustable work stops. The stand extends to 150 inches wide yet folds to 73 inches for storage. Non-marring feet protect your surfaces while the sturdy build guarantees precise cuts. With a 4.7-star rating from over 4,500 users and Dewalt's thorough warranty, it's a reliable choice for professional-grade performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dewalt Miter Saw Stand with wheels. The Dewalt DWX726 miter saw stand's 300-pound weight capacity and pneumatic-assisted lifting make it ideal for woodworkers who regularly tackle heavy materials. The wide rubber wheels let you easily transport your setup across job sites, while the 3-position pneumatic system helps you raise and lower the stand effortlessly. You'll appreciate the stand's adaptable mounting rails that fit most miter saws, and its durable tubular steel construction guarantees lasting stability. While the assembly instructions could be clearer, the one-time setup is worth it for the vertical storage capability and reliable performance. With a 4.6 star rating from over 7,000 users, it's a trusted choice for both contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.